Alright, video update. Looks like most of the siding is done, the roof's on, and they started doing, I guess, a primer on the outside. I guess they'll be painting the outside soon. There's our door for the crawl space. Looks like electrical and plumbing are in, but I don't know if it's like done all the way. Is that must be that's one of the showers. I guess they still have. Oh, look, there's the island.
We should have measured our. We should have measured our couch so we could see.
Oh, right. Well, shoot, we should have brought a tape measure. Can we find a broken one? Anything new out here? A ceiling fan.
This is how it was when I came the other day. I got a bunch of insulation. Don't touch it. Just don't.
I touched it.
Well, that might make you itchy. It's
Yeah.
fiberglass.
Hey, Mama!
I know that's where our shower is.
Daddy!
Got the pan in. Hurting for some light here. That's still there. That's not supposed to be there.
That needs to be on the.
Yes, sinks. Here's the little toilet. Toilet thingy. Okay. It's just you squirt it in holes and it covers the holes up. It's like foam.